Okay, I'm back to working on the tractor. And the last time I worked on it, I got the clutch working and got the rear pulley fixed. Today, I am working on brakes because it has none. I don't know if you see it, but right there is a tiny disc brake that works surprisingly well. But there's nothing connected to it because in order to do my whole thing with the clutch, I had to disconnect the brakes. So it'd be super cool to do like a big e-brake handle right here. And yeah, but I'm gonna drive it on down to the shop. Time to get to work. Okay, I think I've got in mind what I want to do. This is a cross member from the tractor, and I'm going to weld this hinge right there so that when I pull back on the brake, it goes like that, and it'll pull back on the brake on the tractor. It'll go something like that. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it's worth a shot. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I have to move the tractor outside and then get to welding. Okay, I'm gonna weld this up real quick. Okay, so I ran into a little problem. The e-brake doesn't fit. It's supposed to be like right here. So I have to cut a little groove in the metal, and then I'll be able to use it. But that's what I'm doing now, and I have to use an angle grinder. So I'm going to set you down and get right back to it as soon as I finish that. Okay, so it turns out I had to cut it all the way across to right here. So it shouldn't be too bad. It doesn't look all that different. It'll look kind of like that. But then compared to the other side that still has the lip right here, I don't know. But yeah, I also changed the type of hinge right here because it is much stronger. So yeah. Okay, so I've attached everything you saw me putting together. There you go. Okay, you see? The e-brake. It's a little stiff, but it certainly moves, and it certainly works. Which are both very important things. And I think it's a success. I got this on and it's not going anywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna go test it out. Okay, so I finished working on the tractor and I got the e-brake to work, but then on the test run, it kind of broke. If you see the part that's attached to, oh, we have little puppies and they're everywhere. The part that goes back to the brake snapped off. So now it does nothing. So I have to somehow find a way to reattach this bar. And that's going to be quite the challenge. I might honestly try to come up with some solution. Maybe a car brake, like a old drum brake or something out of an old car would work. So that's what I have to do next. It's always a bummer when something doesn't work, but you know, it'll work. I'll get it to work, and it might be it didn't like lock up the back wheel or anything, so I might be able to get the next one to be a little bit better.